Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 0x80070643 if recovery partition is enlarged but Windows 10 or 11 won't update. So I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. Now to fix the problem, go to the search option here and here's search cmd, and that is the command prompt, and here right click it and go to run as administration option here and select yes. And after that you have to give a command here and I will provide it to the description. The command is reagentc /info, and here you can see my info is here is enable. If you find is disabled, you have to enable the system. To enable it, all you have to do is type this same command prompt, and here all you have to do is remove the info option and write it enable here, and after that click enter and your system will be enabled and you can update your Windows again. All you have to do is just click the retry option here. So in this way you can easily fix the problem. So this is the video and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.